Hi guys, good morning. So this is going to be your job, career and money reading for 2025. So what are all unfolding in your path in 2025? So whatever job you are going to see or whatever career you want to live, whatever decision you make, okay, you want emotional fulfillment in that. If you are working in a job, you are feeling like, am I getting the happiness of working somewhere and earning money? And always you have this question, and after a long time you found out, no, I will get the happiness only when I live my dreams in reality. So your dream job is your passion, so you want to make your passion into career. Okay, so if you have to make your passion into career, you want money for investment. So for that money you want a job. Okay, so already you are working in a job now. So whether it's going to give emotional fulfillment or not, you want to continue with the job. The next thing is, until you have started a job and until you flourish in your career, until the career itself gives you, your passion itself gives you the complete money which you need for the whole month, you can't quit the job. So you are maintaining that job also. Now for emotional fulfillment, that same job itself, you are learning how to like that job, love that job and work in that job, how to create new ideas, all these things you are thinking, okay, and learning there. So everywhere, every aspect of life, emotional fulfillment plays a very important role for you. That is the main key factor which decides and which makes you choose things accordingly. Okay, so that is what is King of Cups. The Devil card, devil card is like complete attachment. If you are working in somewhere, like you have lots of attachment towards that work and you have attachment towards yourself itself. You feel like, if I'm working there, I should be that importance, I should be the priority, everybody should give that importance to me, my boss should give importance to me. Because of this expectation itself, and the expectations are not met up actually, because of that you're going very frustrated, disappointed, and you feel the working environment itself, you are not comfortable, so you don't want to continue there. This is what you are feeling. But actually the truth is, you have to tame your energy, you have to tame all those negativity which is like jealous, greediness and all these things. See, wherever we go for a job, it is a job only, it is not our own career. Okay, so in that job, many people will be working, why boss has to give importance to you? Isn't it like that? So keeping on thinking about all these disappointments and frustrations, nine of swords is you becoming very scared to face a fear. Because of the scaredness, you are keeping on running away from that fear. That fear itself multiplies into many fears. Okay, so this multiplied fear, what happens is you are still more scared to face all those together. Sometimes if you are brave enough, if you take a courageous step and just face the main fear, that fear itself will vanish or run away. Okay, so then you can keep leading a normal life. Just because you are scared and just because you are running away, that fear keeps on multiplying. Once it keeps on multiplying, you are very scared to face that fear, and this fear is all because of this attachment. Okay, you are not letting go of that attachment. Instead, you are so much obsessed with that disappointment, you are so much obsessed with that frustration, and you are thinking, he has to give importance to me only. Now I only did this job, now why he is not giving importance to me? Like that, keeping on thinking, obsessing and overthinking all these things, you are losing your, and you are scared also. Underneath, beneath, you are very scared. Okay, what will happen to my job if they are not going to give importance to me? Will I get the salary? All these things, you are so scared, and this fear is not allowing you to sleep. So you are having so much of sleepless nights and you are falling sick, your energy is draining out, and you are feeling like very uncomfortable, and you don't have any energy to work, and you are feeling very annoyed to work also, you are losing interest in that work also. So this is how it is panning out. But one final day you are realizing that if you are in desperate energy, then this desperateness itself is causing attachment, and because of this attachment only so much of fear I am having, because you can't keep living in this fear itself. Now some or the other solution you have to find out. So as a result of you kept on searching and searching and searching for the solution, you finally understood you should not be in desperateness. So this desperateness energy is only creating so much of attachment. Okay, so now what you understood is what is meant for you will at any cost come to you, but only thing is you have to make yourself eligible enough to receive that. Okay, because only you know what you have asked to God, and God knows when to give you and how to give you. Okay, God is now ready to give you, but are you ready to receive it? So you have to make yourselves eligible enough to receive it now. So that is what you understood, that is what through the judgment. Okay, so while soul contract itself, judgment is being written. This is how it is going to span out, and this is how it is going to reach you, and this is what is meant for you. All these things already been written. Judgment already predicted. Okay, now new judgment is not going to be like written up. So whatever is meant for you will come to you. There is no doubts about it. Then next card is world card. World card is all new beginnings. See, like it is an end of a cycle and a new beginning. So while you now recently you have ended a cycle, so in this cycle you would have undergone lots of life challenges. You would have undergone learned lots of life lessons. You would have met people and circumstances, like you would have been thinking like this person is very close to me, this person, I trust this person a lot. All these things would have been shattered and broken down, and now you know the true colors of everybody, and now you know who is close person, who is real person, and who is like pretending to be close. All these truths you know by now. So all that transformation and life lessons is there within you now. With all these life lessons and as a transformed version, you are starting a new journey to live your life purpose. This is what is this world card all about. So this is how your 2025 love, job and career, sorry, job, career and money is unfolding. This is like how your money flow is going to be in 2025. First card is King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is like he has everything. What he does not have, he has everything. Okay, all land, assets, then jewels, diamonds, navaratnas, everything he has. Okay, all the luxury and comfort he has, but he is sad because only one thing he does not have is his the true love's physical presence with him. Okay, so even though he is sad, but he thinks first what he thought, until I become a well accomplished man, okay, I cannot have my true love with me. So if I have my true love with me, or if I manifest my true love to be with me, I cannot serve from an empty cup, so I have to become a filled cup. So that filled cup includes not only emotions, all materialistic needs also. So he became King of Pentacles. Now, after becoming King of Pentacles, now he is realizing his um, loud person is not with him. His physical presence is not with him. So now he is ready to go for spend money, go for coachings, and take the next step to manifest his true love. Okay, this is what is King of Pentacles. So he has everything now. He has manifested everything materialistically, and now he is a well accomplished person. Okay. Second one is Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is like is a successful, materialistically abundant, full dream life in reality. Okay. So in this dream life, what I see is it's not about man and woman. It is about one person only. Within that one person only, you have both the polarities, and in both the polarities also you have both the inner child. So this dogs also indicate you have completely surrendered to the divine, and you have complete trust in the divine, and this trust and complete surrender gives you emotional fulfillment, contentment, everything. And in this divine surrender, whatever you want, you get it from the divine itself. So you want money, you get it from the divine. How much ever you want, you get it from the divine. So with this money, you are living every step of your life. Like your life itself is to provide whatever your inner child is asking, and whatever your inner child is wishing for, whatever your inner child's dream is, you want to make all those dreams come true. To make all those dreams come true, you want money, so you are provided with money also by divine. So now you are making all your inner child's dream come true. You are also enjoying happy. No more you're jailing your inner child, or you're suppressing or manipulating your inner child. You are letting it flow free, and you are also happy, enjoying life. This is all happening within yourselves, not outside. So you are having that divine delightfulness. You are calm and peaceful within you. This is what is this 10 of Pentacles. So 2025 is going to be life of inner union and living your dreams in reality. That much money flow you will always have. Empress card. This Empress card tells me you are becoming very creative, very innovative. All the 64 skills. Empress is a person who knows all the 64 skills, and she keeps on improvising, improvising, improvising until she becomes the best in that. Okay. Same way, her vibration also, she does not chase behind anything. She keeps on meditating, and she keeps on learning Brahmanyan, and she keeps on practicing it as her life path. So her vibration itself is high vibration only. So she does not manifest anything. Whatever she desires for, it gets attracted and comes into her life and stays with her. So you are also raising your vibration to that extent, and money is also coming to you like that and staying to you. Money is willingly getting attracted and coming to you and staying with you. Okay, you need not have to manifest anything. So it is like that. Then is Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune card also indicates if you ask for money now from divine, like this whole universe conspire to give you that. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune is nothing but good luck is working on your way. Okay, once the wheel goes down, it has to come up now next turn. Now it is coming up. So the whole universe is working in your favor. That is what is Wheel of Fortune. So like that, all the time in your wallet, at least there will be 1,000 rupees every day. Whenever you go out or you be at house, you want money. All the time there is money in your wallet. If not lakhs and crores, thousands and hundreds at least is there in your wallet for your need. Okay. Next is Magician. Magician is a person who's always, you developed yourselves into a magician who can manifest anything by connecting yourself with the divine. So even see, you feel your bank account, you don't have money. See, suppose you have 5,000 or 6,000, you want it for paying your rent. If you pay your rent, that 6,000 will get empty. After that, for other expenses you won't have money. So while that 6,000 is there itself, you learn to ask it to divine. So you created a system, and you connected that system also along with the universal energy. Okay, so now your system, everything is connected to the universal energy. So whatever you think within your mind space or heart space, without you conveying it to the universe itself, universe can feel that and realize that. So whatever you wish for, your wish is being granted, and you are getting money into your account for whatever you want to do, because when there is a real need, money is automatically coming into your account. So from where it comes, how it comes, God only knows. So that is what is this Magician card. Okay guys, this is going to be your new year 2025 job, career and money reading. So let us meet in the next reading, love relationship reading for 2025. Until then, bye.